Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can use new app just launched by Instagram itself called Threads. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. If you want to use that app, what you gotta do is first step is obviously going to your Play Store and getting this particular app of Threads, an Instagram app. Once you're done installing that particular app, you can go ahead, open that app up. Once you do that, you will see this kind of interface where you gotta log in. So it will already give you an option where you can sign up with your existing Instagram account. If you do not, you can tap on the switch account where you can switch to your other account. If you want to continue with the existing Instagram account, tap on that particular account. And now you will have to see this login request. And so if you have turned on the authentication security in your mobile phone, you will get this kind of interface. Tap on this approve option and tap on this approve request, and now go back to your Threads. It will start loading, and now you can see this kind of interface. So it's gonna give you an option where you get your name, you can add your bio, you can add link. If you want to import from your Instagram, tap on this import from Instagram. Once you're done, tap on this continue option. Now you can choose whether your public profile want to remain public profile or provide private profile. So we'd like to go with private profile. Tap on continue. And if you would like to follow the same people there on your Instagram, you can. If you do not, you can simply skip this option, and you can see how Threads works. So it will give you a little brief, any data and etc. Tap on this join Threads option, tap on this allow, and you can see now you're in Threads. You can see, you can simply go ahead, use it as you would like. You can go ahead, tap on this option given here where you can enter a thread, type in a thread, and you can post it. So yes guys, this is the way. If you go to the search bar, you can again search a particular user or a hashtag. You can go to this like and see the activity of yours, and go to this profile icon, and you got your profile over there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got a particular question regarding any of the features of Threads, do let us know in the comments, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.